Hi guys, welcome back YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing with you in this video. Lovely viewer, you will see in this video is modern and stylish pebble stones ideas, home decoration trends, landscaping ideas in 2025. So subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon, you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. You will see new or top creative and trending home decorations ideas, pebble stone trends, landscaping designs. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching this videos till the end. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos till the end. Do you have new ideas of unique home decorations ideas? So viewers, please tell me in the comment section. You will see new all pebble stones ideas, landscaping designs, indoor plants, wall hanging decorations ideas, modern bedroom furniture, lighting ceilings, wooden doors, locked doors, and you will see 100 plus stylish and creative home decor trends. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in this video till the end. So these are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. Gorgeous and stylish and creative pebble stones ideas. So don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. And don't forget to keep your feedback in the comment section. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this video till the end. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas will explore in these videos till the end. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Subscribe my channel and watch my videos. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. Also guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Home decorations ideas, pebble stone trends, landscaping designs, home decor designs ideas. So thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel. I will make a similar videos and present it in front of you. You watch new all attractive and trending landscaping ideas. So take care friends. Modern landscaping ideas, garden decoration trend.